Okay.
Nagets naman? Sasabihin namin kung 3-letter lang,
Oo.
4-letter.
So, hilera po kayo dito. Hilera po yung mga letters. Ayan. Ha? Oo, pag ganun yung basa. Dapat mababasa ng mga tao na nandito. Pag ganito yung basa, ha?
Paano kayo mananalo? Paunahan po yan after ng countdown.
Oo. So, may points naman. May ano tayo, no? Ilang items per round?
7.
7 items per round.
Oo, 7 questions.
So, may 7 questions tayo. Hindi uulit yung questions. Kunwari, set A kayo. Ibang set of questions kayo. Versus set B. Okay? Sige, group 1, hilera kayo. So, dapat yung spelling nyo, mababasa namin dito. Hindi baliktad, ha? Mula start dyan, pag ganon. That mababasa namin lahat. So, kayong mga group na nandito, kayo lang yung mag-observe. Naku, sino kayang may off or what? Sige.
Okay, game. First question.
Wait lang. May sample ba tayo, Faith?
Wala eh.
Wala tayong
Sad
sample?
na yung trial.
Wala tayong sample dyan? Wala tayong sample dyan?
Wala eh.
Sige, ito na lang. Ang clue para medyo ang easy round muna tayo. 3 letters lang ito.
3 letters lang. 3 letters.
3 letters. Pag hindi kayo kasama, atras kayo. Iwalay kayo dun sa bundle ng letters na yon. Okay, sige. Pwede kayong humarap muna sa screen, tas tsaka kayo harap dito.
Bibilang kami ng go. Ay, sasabihin namin go kung pwede na kayo. Lipat-lipat.
Okay? In 3, 2, 1, go!
The blank will feed
Wala pang
the
gagalaw.
bear. Their young will lie down together, and the lion will eat straw like the ox.
1, 2, 3, go!
3-letter. Paunahan po yan, ha?
Kala nyo madali lang.
The blank will feed the bear with the bear. Their young will lie down.
Okay, sino pinakamauna?
Yan mo lang.
Sige lang. Okay. Meron ng group 1, ang group 4. 3,
2,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So,
Ano
ang
yung-
sagot ng group 1 ay cow. Ano po ang sagot?
Cow.
Yun, tama po, cow.
Points na ang
1 point sa group 1.
group 1.
Okay.
Next question. Tingin po muna lahat. John 1:1. In the beginning, blank the Word, and the Word with God, and the Word blank God.
Paunahan
3, 2, 1,
yan, ha?
go! Paunahan. Titingnan ni Kuya IJ sino una.
Okay, nauna. Okay, tingnan natin kung ang nauna ay tama. Okay, so nauna ang group 4. Ang
Nauna ang
sagot
group
nila
4?
ay was. Ganon din sa kanila. So ang point ay sa group 4. It's
Okay,
was.
sa group 4.
In the beginning was the Word, and the Word with God, and the Word was God. Okay. Next question.
Next question, 4 letters na po ito.
4 letters na.
Matthew 26:34, Jesus said, "This very night, before the rooster blank, you will disown me 3 times." Go! Go! Go!
Nagbigay ng clue si Pastor.
Tingnan, sino na una? Tingin. Sino na una?
Wala pong magbibigay ng clue, Pastor.
Anong spelling? Okay, sino?
Time's up. So, crow sa group 4, cow sa group 1. Ayun yun. Crow.
Okay. Point sa?
Point for group 4.
4. Okay, medyo nagigets na kung paano. Next one. 4-letter word ulit. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Question. Psalms 119, 105. Your blank is a lamp to my feet, a light on my path.
1, 2, 3, go! Paunahan, ha? Pero pag magkaiba kayo ng sagot, let's just wait. Okay, okay.
Sino na una?
Oh, meron pa kayong ibang sagot? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, wala. Word. Tama ba, Ate Faith?
Tama po.
Ayun. Your word is a lamp to my feet. Okay, 3 points na po ang group 4. Next po.
Next question. James 4 verse 8. If you blank near to God, He will blank near to you.
Go!
Go! Meron na?
Okay?
Okay.
Group 4 meron na. Group 1, ano nangyari sa group 1? Bakit palaging cow yung sagot ko? Ba't kaya pala na letter?
Pareho lang po kayo ng letter niyan.
Nasa likod, okay.
Ibang version yung Bible na.
Ba't palaging cow? Okay. So, draw. Tama ba, Ate
Tama.
Faith? Tama
Oh,
po.
winner na sila.
Okay, winner na sila. Okay. Maraming
Group 4, congratulations.
Group 4, congratulations.
Sa set A.
Sige po, Group 3 and Group 2. Group 2, Group 3.
Group 2, Group 3.
Ibigay nyo na lang sa next group. Group 2, Group 3.
Kung ano yung tape na lang.
Bakit puro baka, no? Kasi nilaga yung ulam. Yun. Na ano sa nilaga? Beef ribs. Tapos ano pa? Beef kare-kare. Kaya
Ito may tape dito kung ano kailangan nyo. May tape dito. Game?
okay. Sige po, harap sa board. Harap sa ating screen.
Harap po sa screen. Ang question po natin ay
Ang question po natin
3-letter word muna tayo. Easy, easy. Jonah
one.
1:13, and the men blank to turn
Wala
back
pang
unto
go,
the dry land and are not able, for the sea is more and more tempted Zeus against them.
1, 2, 3,
Three-letter
go!
word, Go. For blank. Ay, the blank. Ay, and the men blank. Three-letter lang.
One. Okay. Was dito. Rar. Rar. Okay. Ano nangyari sa rar? Anong sagot, Ate Faith?
Ano nga sir? Hindi ko man. Was din, was. Was din.
Tama ako. Yun, was nga. Was. So, 1 point sa group 2.
Group 2.
Okay, was. Next question.
Next question. 3-letter word din. 2
Oo.
Corinthians 6:2. I tell you, blank is the time of God's paper. Blank is the day of salvation.
1, 2, 3, go! Paunahan!
Five, 4, 3.
Okay, nauna ang group 3. Tama ba, Ate Faith? Now.
Tama, now.
Okay, now. Group 3, 1 point.
Okay, 4-letter word na tayo. Next question. Matthew 2:9. When they heard the king, they departed, and behold, the blank which they had seen in the east went before them till it came and stood over. Go!
Nauna ang group 2.
Nauna ang group
Star.
two. Star.
Correct.
Next question.
Okay.
4-letter word pa rin. Bumibilis. Ecclesiastes 4:12. Though one may be overpowered, two can defend themselves. A blank of 3 strands is not quickly broken.
Go!
Go.
Hala. Hala.
4 letters lang.
A blank of 3 strands.
Clue. Letter D, yung dulo niya. Last letter.
Okay, paunahan po. No. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Wala na po. Ano pong sagot? Corn. Corn sa kabila. Sand. Dito. Sand. Ano po ang tamang sagot, Ate Faith?
Chord.
Chord. C-O-R-D.
Chord.
Oh.
Walang nakatama.
Opo. May mais kasi sa nilaga. Oo, yun. Kaya yun yung naisip.
Next question.
Oo. Oo. Dalawa yung R. Oo, yun. Pwede
Dalawa
mong
yung
iswap.
R. Wala pong nakakuha, no?
Ayun.
Next question. Matthew 7:26. And everyone who hears these words of mine and does not do them will be like a foolish man who built his house on the blank. 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay.
Sino ang nauna?
Okay, nauna pa rin ang group 2, sand daw ang sagot. Tama ba, sand?
Saan? Tama.
Okay, group 2.
Tatlo pa lang. Tatlo
3
pa lang,
points.
3
Isa pang point kapag ka, ano.
Next question. Matthew 27:51. Then behold, the veil of the temple was blank in two from top to bottom. The earthquake and the rocks were split.
1, 2, 3, go! Nauna ang group 2. Tama ba? Nauna ang group 2,
Sagot-
torn.
Torn.
Tama po.
Tama.
Okay. Marami po
winner.
salamat.
Ang
Diyan lang po kayo.
maglalaban.
Diyan lang po kayo. Ibibigay po
Ay,
natin
group
sa group 1. Group 1. 4. Group 4.
Group 4 at Group 2 ang maglalaban. Sige, 5-letter words na tayo, ah. Championship, 5 letter.
Sige, pahirapan. 5
Pahirapan.
letters din. Okay, Faith. Let's start.
Wait lang, hinahanap ko.
Set A, yung hard na.
Final. Our question.
Okay, wala
First
mo nang
Peter
gagalaw.
5:4. And when the chief shepherd appears, you will receive the blank of glory.
Okay, dito pa rin tayo sa group 2. Group 2.
Group 2.
1 point. 1
1
point.
point.
Next.
Next question. Mark 5:24. But a huge blank follows and presses in on Jesus as they walk.
Go.
Oh. Sila na una.
Sino na una?
Ito. Number 2, no? Naimuna.
Number 2, 1 point.
Number 2.
Tama, huge crowd.
Habol. Next. 1 Corinthians 16:13. Be on your guard, blank, firm in the faith, be courageous, be strong. Go! Up, nauna ang
Group
Group
4.
4.
Group 4, 1 point.
1 point. Kumahabol.
2-1, 2-1.
7.
Next.
Next. Ephesians 6:16. Above all, taking the shield of faith, wherewith you shall be able to quench all the fiery blank of
Go.
the wicked.
Okay. May magkaibang sagot. Ano ang tamang sagot?
Darts.
Darts.
Ang nag-darts.
3 points na po ang Group 2.
3 points, last one na. Wait lang. Hinahanap ko. Okay. Next question. Psalms 127:4. Like blank in the hands of God are children born in one's youth. Go! Na-stock up. Diyan malalaman kung nagbabasa kayo.
Sige lang, wait lang. Hintayin natin.
Okay, wait natin
May mga
sila.
ano pa bang sagot dyan? Wala magbibigay ng clue. Pastor, wag mo magbibigay ng clue.
5-letter word. Oh, wala pang pumipila.
4, 3, 2, 1. Group 4 ay may araw na sagot. Tama ba?
Tama!
Yun.
Humahabol.
Humahabol. 3-2. 3-2. Humahabol.
Wala na tayong... Balik tayo sa 4-letter. 4-letter po ulit.
Naubos yung question.
Naubos na yung question. Matthew 7:13. Enter through the narrow gate, for wide is the gate and broad is the blank that leads to destruction, and many enter through it. And blank and broad is the blank.
Go.
Go, go.
Nauna ang Group 4. Pareha sila ng sagot. Road.
Una ang group 4.
Oo.
Okay.
Tama?
Tama.
Okay, last point. Final.
Final na.
Final question.
Final.
Ha? For tiebreaker, the last question.
Wait lang, hinahanap ko. Okay, for tiebreaker. Galatians 5:21. I blank you as I did before, that those who live like this will not
Wala
inherit
pang
the
gagalaw.
kingdom of God.
1, 2, 3, go! Kinabahan talaga lahat
Last na yan, last point.
For the winner.
Four-letter yan. Okay, may magtataas na ba?
Sige, take your time. This is the final
Final na
question.
yan. Final question.
Baka cows daw.
Cows.
Yung group 1, letter C palagi yung sagot Magkukulo ka?
Ayan. Okay. They got it.
Winner natin ang Group 2. Warn.
Congratulations! Warn po. I warn you as
Meron
I
po
did
kayong
before.
1,000 pesos. Maraming salamat po.
Thank
Pwede
you
na
po.
pong ibalik